Hello everyone, my name is Ritik Raj Vaishya and I am a trainer from BMP, that is Build My Project Company, the makers of CoreBot. Today we are going to learn, today we are going to make a program, a project where we will be able to detect the gender of a person and a range of age. Like if I show a picture or if I stand in front of the camera, then the system will try to predict my gender. Like I am a boy, so it will try to give me a label that is the male, and it will try to detect the age range. Okay, so like obviously we will be doing this with the help of Python language. For that we will be needing Python ideally and Anaconda. You can download those software and a platform from Chrome itself. Let us begin with the code now. Like here we have imported three different libraries. The first library is CV2, the second is math module, and the third is argparse module. Okay, CV2 basically to trigger our camera. CV2 basically to trigger our camera so that our camera should turn on. It should start video recording, and based on that it should start detecting the gender of a person and the age of a person. And the second is math module, that basically to perform mathematical functions, and the third is argparse, which stands for argument parsing. Basically it is used to handle the error part and over the command line which is in your system. So the second step is to create a function, that is with the help of def keyword, and we have given the name of function as highlight face, and it consists of three different attributes, that is the net, that is the total volume, the frame which we will be defining, which we will be creating, and the second is confidence threshold. While programming any big program, or if you have a data set, or if you are trying to detect anything, there we implement the concept of threshold or confidence. Threshold is basically which act as a percentage, okay, which act as a percentage, or which act as a point. Like if anything above that particular point, then the accuracy, the system, the program which we have made, that is perfect. So the next is we are just trying to make a frame with help of frame OpenCV DNN. DNN is deep neural network. Obviously here we are just trying to detect each and every pixel of the video or the image which will be recorded by the camera. Each and every pixel will be detected. Okay, thus obviously there will be two attribute for the size of the frame. First is height and the second one is width. So we have done that in width and height part. Blob is nothing but like if blob is a part of image processing. Okay, blob is a part of image processing. Like if you have any image and the color is in RGB format, that is in colorful format. Okay, the image is in colorful format or RGB format. Then with the help of blob, you can basically convert them into a color format which your system may understand. Your system understand the image in the form of grayscale. Okay, then we are just trying to take the input from the camera. You can see here net dot set input blob. We are just trying to take the input from the camera. Means if I am standing in front of the camera, then I will be getting detected towards the camera, that the camera may or camera will detect me, and then it will try to capture that image, that is my face, and it will convert that face, the captured image, into yeah, machine understandable image, and then it will process. So for that we are just trying to set input, and then detection is equal to net dot forward. For I in range, detection dot shape 2. Okay. The next part is confidence. Here by default we have used 0 to 0, and then the range which we have used here, that is for I in range detection dot shape, and then the two value, that is the shape part, height and width here. Okay. If confidence is greater than confidence threshold, the confidence we have defined here and the confidence threshold we have defined here, conf underscore threshold is equal to 0.7. If confidence which the new confidence, if it is greater than threshold confidence which is 0.7, then it should start detecting the image in the terms of x and y coordinates, that is x1 y1 x2 y2, and it will append the image in front of the other, like how the number are appending, how the numbers are appended in front of the other, same it will try to append the image. And then we also have two different types of file. Okay, we have two different types of file, that is prototext file and cafe model file. Prototext file, that is the system will use some protocol, that is it normally uses a Google buffer protocol, and the second is cafe model to turn your system to turn your that is to increase the speed of the working, and then PB is nothing but a binary format file, and PB text is nothing but memory format file in terms of text. Okay, this is done with the help of arg pass. That is arg is equal to pass underscore arg. This is done with the help of argument pass, the module. This model underscore mean underscore value. This is nothing but by default value, which I have taken the mean value of these files. Okay, and then age list is nothing but which will have some range, that is 0 to 2 first value, first age list, 4 to 6, 8 to 12, 15 to 20, 25 to 32, 38 to 43, then 58 to 53, 48 to 53, and the next is 60 to 100. And then gender list, obviously there will be only two gender, that is male or female. FaceNet, that is with the help of DNN, it will try to read the label, and it will try to use the prototext file and cafe model file for age and for gender, both of this age and gender. And you can see here for face, we are just going with face model, face protocol, and then for AgeNet we are going with age model and age proto, and for gender we are going with gender model and gender protocol. That is video is equal to cv.video capture. With the help of cv2 library, now we can turn on the camera. Okay, we can turn on the camera, and it will just start detecting the image which is in front of the camera. Next is we are using while loop. If the statement is true, like if there is any face in front of the camera, then it will start detecting the age and the gender, or else it will normally give me the message that is no face detected, no face detected. And then if there is any person in front of the camera, then it will read each and every file. Okay, it will reach each and every file with the help of blob, that is cv2.dnn deep neural network dot blob for from image, that is face 1.0, that is 1.0, 227 the color format, that is the rows and columns, model underscore min underscore values, the function which we have assigned before, and then swap rb, that is red and blue. So we are just giving the by default value as false, and then we are just trying to predict, that is the gender and age of the person. Okay, the gender and age of the person. Obviously in gender part we will be just going with gender, that is the gender list, and in terms of age we will be going with age. So here what we have done, here we are just in gender part, here we have used the color format 277 comma 277, that is 0 comma 277 comma 277, and then we are just going with age part, that is age 1 colon minus minus nothing. This is a part of Python, that is we are just going with slicing part 1, that is the starting variable, and minus 1 is nothing but up to the ending part, the ending number or the ending thing in that particular list. You can also leave this one as empty, that is anything nothing colon nothing, then those both values as one are the same, and then it will just normally give me the message in the label part, that is detecting age and gender. And then if we try to, it is using the font, that is font underscore hash underscore simplex, the font size is 0.8, the color part, and then the cv2 dot line a is nothing but we are just trying to detect with the help of our camera. If I try to run the program, a new screen will be pop up here, and from that we can just see the image. Like you can see, like if I'm running the program, my system has started detecting me, and now you can see me. It is saying that I am a male and my age range is somewhere around 25 to 32. And if I try to show any image like from my system or from my cell phone, and if I see, you can see, okay, there is some reflection, I think. If I try for this, now it is saying male and female both. The first one is male and the second one is female. And if I try to show this picture, it is saying male of age range 38 to 43. And again, if I try to show the image, it is saying female and age range is somewhere around 20. Thank you so much, guys.